Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best website that pay you DGB from the website instantly in your Faucet Pay account, and this website pay you every 5 minutes unlimited time Clime per day. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you DGB, okay, sorry, every 5 minutes, and just go to your user dashboard, copy your go to deposit, copy your DGB link and computer paste it. Okay, just click login, solve the captcha first. This one is a camel, the next one is this one is bra. Okay, just solve it, and parking meters, and just click verify capture. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Every 5 minutes you can come back and claim again. Just I got to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and right now you can see this website pay me this much DGB instantly in my Faucet Pay account. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos too. Okay, bye bye for now.